Ladies and gentlemen, dear valued members of the Validus community, I have a very special announcement to make. This is such an exciting moment for the entire network of Validus from your Chief Network Officer. For the first time ever in the history of the company, we've got a gentleman who achieved the highest pinnacle rank of the company, the first historically achievement that has happened in the company just now. And I'm just sitting at the new headquarters with Mr. Fadi Baba all the way from Australia. He traveled to Dubai, and we just received the confirmation that he hit the position of Crown Diamond. So ladies and gentlemen, congratulations, Fadi. Well done. You made us feel proud. You're leading by example. He is the gentleman who made it happen, and let's hear it from the first officially Crown Diamond of Validus.
Thank you very much, Dr. Farwez, and everyone who has helped, of course, our President, Mansour Tawafi, and all the corporate staff also. It's been an amazing journey from last year. We were here in Dubai at the launch of Validus, and today we're here after 1 year. In 1 year time, before 1 year we hit, I hit Crown Diamond. It's not about me, it's about the team, it's about the family, it's about everyone. I want to congratulate everyone, not only in Australia and New Zealand, but everywhere around the world. My vision now is to help every single person in Validus hit Crown Diamond, and thank you very much again, Doctor, for bringing this to us. Validus is a blessing, and of course you and your team are a blessing also. Thank you very much again.